Hi guys, this topic is all about cryptography. So, there are four methods of cryptography. First is the Caesar cipher, keyword cipher, Giovanni's method, and transposition cipher technique. So, Caesar cipher, there is plain text, which is the word we need to encrypt, and ciphertext is the word that was encrypted. So, what is mean of this shift tree? So to do this, we need to skip three letters where we start the ABC letters. So we need to skip 1, 2, 3, and letter A start. We need to start letter A in letter D. So type all the letters A up to Z, then and match the letters. So based on letter A, we need to base all we need base the plain text this green, and the ciphertext is the above of letter and above color green. So A is D, S is V, U U is X, R R is U, A is D, N is Q, so C is F, and E is H. So this is the first example. So we proceed to see keyword cipher. Keyword cipher, we need to have a keyword. So we have keyword methods. We we need to use this for encryption. So as we have plain text assurance and ciphertext, which when this word is already encrypted. So we need to put methods here, these methods, then type all the letters. But if we have letters already here, don't put it to to complete the letters. So match it again. So base it the plain text above, and this is red color is the encrypted. So letter A is M, S is Q, S is Q, U is U, R is P, A is M, N is J, and C is T, and E is O. So we are finished to keyword cipher, and next is the Giovanni's method. Giovanni's method and keyword cipher is almost the same, but there is one additional given to do this method. So we use again the plain text assurance and ciphertext, the word that we need to, this word is the encrypted of assurance. So we need to use methods. So in the keyword cipher, we put this beginning on the partner of A, start with letter A. So in the Giovanni's method, where we need to put methods but in letter C. This is the indication where we start the keyword. So letter C, in letter C we need put start the methods keyword. So again, you put the letters A to Z, but if there is letter already in the keyword, don't put it here. So let match it. This is the plain text above, and the colored letters is the encrypted letters. So letter A is Y, S is N, S is N, U is Q, R, R is L, A is Y, N is G, C is M, and E is T. So this is the encrypted or the ciphertext YN and QLYGMT. So next, we need to proceed to transposition cipher and the last technique of the cryptography. So this technique is not like this three. So we don't use this letter above. So we need we need to type the plain text zigzag. So we type it ASSURANCE. So we need type plain text zigzag form. Then for ciphertext to do this, we need to type this straight. So ASRNE AUAC. So this is the ciphertext, and thank you for watching my video.